comeback right here. This right here was the last piece of the puzzle. This right here, this box right here. There's a lot of boxes here. We're probably gonna have to move into the garage and open them up there.
All right, let's do it.
Because there's a lot of boxes inside this box.
Really?
So let's just, here, I'm gonna put buddy ass down. So let's move all this into the garage.
Let's do it.
Let's do it. Oh, let's just walk through out here. Not the garage. You think Quay's good right there?
He'll be alright.
He gotta be here for this moment.
Yeah, he'll be alright. Go for it, dog.
Play with that, Quiz.
Look at him.
There you go. Hold on, I want to start off with the package.
The package.
The package.
The package.
And I swear, it's this one right here. You can't see the inside of the box, right? Don't you?
No.
Okay, good.
This is it.
Oh shit! Oh shit!
This is it.
They ready?
Yeah, ready. Bring it out, dog.
I bought a Paxton!
Yes, sir. Show them the label. Show them the label, man. Official. Official. What's that say, guys?
Dude!
Yes.
Yo, this shit heavy.
Is it heavy?
Like a...
Like a little baby, huh?
Bro,
Yep.
Alright, man, before we open everything else, because I got a lot of stuff. I actually got this like 2 weeks ago, but I've been waiting for the last week for extra parts and everything, trying to gather everything up. But people thought I got arrested, people thought I got caught street racing, people thought I crashed and totaled Miranda, people thought I died. Nah, man, I was just out for the month. I was planning all this out. Everything was just being planned. Damn, yo.
This is gonna be exciting.
Very excited. I'm excited,
What you
dude.
think, man?
Oh my. What you doing, Quaves? I haven't been uploading in a month. I've been gone for a whole month. But this is the reason why. This is the reason why right here.
Go ahead, put it to the sun, man. Put it to the sun. Let that thing shine. Yes. That's it. That symbol right there. That's yup. Goof.
Well, yeah, this is a Paxton 2200 SL. Let me show you everything else I got. Like this is my VMP booster pump. I needed a booster pump. It was a must. ID 1050X's. These are overkill, dude. This is a must, man.
From
like,
Injector Dynamic.
1050X's.
1050X.
I got NGK spark plugs. Dude, I haven't changed my spark plugs in this car at all.
Really?
Like since I got the car.
80-some thousand miles in,
okay,
bro.
well, look, I got
You
NGK
know what I mean?
spark plugs. ID 1050X.
I changed mine the second week I got my car.
Well, I'm slacking. Christmas came early.
Yes,
well,
sir.
right here's the big old intercooler. We can set that aside right now. And dude, look at this big ass box, dude.
Bro, they're pretty big. For just one kit.
Alright, right here's probably all the tubing and shit. Quavo, what are you crying about, baby boy? Okay.
Okay.
Looks about right.
Just a preview.
This is a preview. And by the way, we are installing this ourselves in this garage. So, yeah, the videos are gonna be funny. They're gonna be
Interesting.
It's
Yo, pretty
gonna
much.
be awesome, man. We're gonna take as long as we need to.
And what is that?
Some more hoses.
Oh, the intercooler.
The coolant hoses,
system. Yep.
coolant tank
Reservoir.
that comes with the kit. And this is just plastic, dude. This is ass.
Really?
I read that the cap leaks, sometimes this cracks. People usually ditch the coolant reservoir that comes with the Paxton kit. So, in order to avoid problems,
What you got for them?
just in case we run into problems, I
Just
got
send
this
it, bro. Just send it.
to back it up.
Pretty much.
Dude, there's a lot of shit.
Bro, there's literally the whole Christmas box.
And I keep losing my knife.
It's on the floor.
Where?
Right there.
I keep losing the knife, man. Yeah, man. The rest of the boxes are just...
Extra stuff, that's what it is.
Yeah, extra stuff. Oh
Shh, better be ready.
my. Oh my.
Yup. Ready?
Woo! 1, 2.
Quay. Quay,
Look.
what do you think, buddy?
Come here. Look.
What do you think, Quay?
What?
Look, go ahead and record Quay's reaction. Oh,
What do you think?
what do you think, buddy? He's like, man, I don't care, bro. I'm just trying to get out of here.
Wow, dude. Wow, this is... Wow, dude.
Well, Miranda.
This is it. As soon as the kit's on, I data log and everything, I will be planning on doing oil pump gears. Honestly, should have done it before because it's gonna be cheaper to get it done before I'm boosted. But I already got the Lund tune. They already sent me the tune, so once the install's done, we can get to data logging and getting this tune perfect, man. Because I need this tune to be as on point as possible. I need this car to run flawlessly, yo. I can't leave you loose, man, because you're gonna just run away.
You need one of these to catch all this. Look at that. Ugh.
Damn.
All that dirty.
I mean, it can't be on this side. It's gonna have to be on this side.
Man, Jordan has the one. Jordan has the one that connects to here. It'll be out of the way.
Yeah, it can't be on this way because the coolant's gonna be right there.
Oh, the coolant's gonna be right there.
Coolant's gonna be right there. Paxton's gonna be right here.
Okay.
And I mean, I'm gonna have to put it right there. But
Yeah, you can put it right there on that side.
a couple days ago, I got the car dynoed, so you guys are gonna be pretty surprised on how much it's pushing right now. But that video is gonna be tomorrow. I'm gonna put that tomorrow, and tomorrow we're gonna start working on the car. Again, I'm back. The videos are back. Paxton install. It's finally happening. Yes, sir. This is the start of everything, man. Let me just tell you guys right now, this is the start of everything, man. Not just me, but we're Mr. Jordan's car right there, but we finna shut YouTube down, man. I'm just telling you, some cooking. A lot of things cooking, man. I gotta tell you guys, man, y'all blowing up my phone, man. I haven't posted in social media in a month. I've been gone for a whole month. I haven't posted nothing. Y'all thought I was dead. Arrested.
Locked up. Out here in Texas.
What else has been going on, Tito?
Let's see.
That's it, right? We got everything out the way.
Yep, that's basically.
That we're all healthy. We're all
living lavish.
we're all living. Hey! You missed the unboxing. I gotta lift this up, dude.
Hey, it's 2 for 1 wing day.
Oh
Y'all
my
want to pitch in like
God.
$5-7? I was gonna order a whole buffet of wings.
I'm f***ing down for wings, dude. Right there.
Wow. That's all I can say is
Oh, I should show him how we were when the UPS guy first came.
I'm gonna have to wait.
Oh man.
Oh shit.
What's up, man?
Glad you're home. I got a heavy box for you.
Oh man, I'm ready for it.
Wow.
Wow.
Horsepower.
Wow.
Boost. There it is.
Nicholas man.
Whose is it? Who's signing for it? Right here. The one who's excited right there.
Oh, man.
That was great. We're superheroes.
Jordan,
You ready?
We're doing the install.
Woo!
Oh. How's it going?
Hey.
I told him.
Well, I'm gonna
Looks like a turbo, dude.
I'm saying, hey, it's a centrifugal supercharger.
Belt-driven turbo. You already got it?
Hell yeah! Oil, the supercharger oil, and then
That's a whole textbook.
Did you let them know none of us have ever done this before?
none of us have ever done this before. That's what I'm telling them. It's gonna be interesting. It's gonna be funny, and the best part about it is we can do it our own way. I didn't get sponsored for this. They didn't send me this out, so we're
All
like,
blood, sweat, and tears.
this is just.
Sweat. There'll be a lot of bloodshed.
Wow.
That looks complicated.
Yeah,
that, I don't
this,
know. I don't know about that
We'll
one.
figure it out.
Yeah, we'll figure it out. But yeah, guys, I am back for good. Okay, tomorrow you're gonna see the dyno video of how much Miranda made NA before boost, and then but tomorrow we're really gonna start taking things apart and laying everything out and just see how we're even gonna do this. So I'm gonna split it up into videos. I'm gonna try to squeeze as much content as I can because, well, this is a big deal and we're not gonna rush at all. So yeah. Boosting the car, shit, question, boosting the car. Oh! Y'all miss this motherfucker? Yo, he's about to be 1 year old. In January is his birthday. That's pretty much it for this video, though, guys. I got the last part today, which was the booster pump. Just wanted to unbox everything and just, you know, I'm back. It's happening. We're boosting the Stang. 600 wheel, here I come. And yeah, tomorrow we start. well, you're gonna see this video tomorrow, and then Friday you're gonna see the dyno vid, and then Saturday you're gonna see what we're doing tomorrow, and then Sunday you're gonna see what we're doing Friday. Stay tuned, man. The videos are gonna be awesome. I'm so excited. We're finally putting a Paxton in the car, and yeah, that's it, guys. For the people that stayed, I really appreciate that, guys. Y'all are awesome for just rocking with me, and just a lot of people were messaging me and asking where I was at. Some people were worried. Honestly, if I messaged you back, you are lucky, because a lot of people were asking me where I was. They were like DMing me, and I honestly replied to a couple of them. I was just like, yo, relax, I got a Paxton on the way, just consider yourself lucky if I messaged you back, because I was just off social media this whole month. I told you guys, I just needed some time, and I'm in Texas now, and this is just the time. The time is now, like now. Boost now or never. Oh, Miranda, you about to be fast. Damn!